In this short video, I would like to present the new features of the MonolixSuite2018R1 release. This new version brings major improvements in terms of intuitiveness of the graphical user interface, speed of the different estimation and simulation tasks, and interactivity of the plots. It also includes new features, in particular, automated statistical tests to guide the user in model building, new model libraries such as a PKPD, a target-mediated drug disposition, and a time-to-event library. An R API to set up and run Monix projects from the R command line is also available, as well as parallelization on several machines in a cluster setting. Let me give you an overview on a concrete example. When opening Monolix, the Welcome tab allows you to access the demos, the documentation, and load or create a new project. Let's create a new project. For the dataset, I will use the well-known warfarin PK data. Once I accept the data, a Data Viewer button appears to visualize the data. I can very efficiently create stratification categories and, for instance, split by sex and color by age. If I change the categories, the plots adapt in real time. After having looked at my data, I go back to the Monolix interface and click Next. I will select the structural model from the libraries. The menu allows to select model features and filter the model list. Here I select a model with parameters Ka, V, and K. Next, I need to choose initial parameter values. I will, for instance, choose 1, 5, and 0.05. I click Set as Initial Values and arrive on the next tab. Here I can choose a residual error model and the distribution of the individual parameters. This includes the distribution itself, the random effects, the correlations, and the covariates. The estimation tasks have been greatly optimized to run faster. On this example, running the full scenario is 5 times faster than with the previous version. This makes a huge difference. The generated plots are nicely interactive. I can, for instance, zoom on the early times for all individuals at the same time, or I can choose which individual I would like to see. In the ops versus spread, I can display the ID and time of each dot, for instance. I also would like to show you the VPC and how fast the simulations are. Here it is. The results appear as tables in the Result tab, and we have added a new feature to test if the correlation between the random effects and the covariates is significant or not. The coloring helps you to detect where the model can be improved. And we also have the same kind of information for the correlation between random effects, and this is something that really helps. That was a quick overview. Download it, try it by yourself, and discover even more new features.